Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Sneezing is often caused by particles entering the nose, such as pollen, dust, mold, air pollution, animal dander, or exposure to chemicals. To stop sneezing, you should treat your allergies, avoid your environmental triggers, or wear a face mask. 30 April 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you suffer from seasonal pollen allergies, this could be why you sneeze more at night. Additionally, allergens like pollen stick to your clothes, skin and hair during the day. This can lead to a buildup of these allergens in your home, causing your symptoms to be worse in the evenings. 27 March 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Conclusion: sneezing is great for you. Your body is protecting you and keeping you healthy by expelling bacteria and viruses. Especially relevant, sneezes travel at over 100 miles per hour and can send over 100,000 germs into the air.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.